Hello beauty enthusiasts! Ever wondered why, despite all the expensive skincare products you use, your skin still lacks that radiant glow? The answer lies in a common problem many of us face: dull skin. It's a pesky issue that can dampen our spirits and affect our confidence. One potential culprit: the harsh, chemical-laden products that promise miracles but often leave our skin feeling stripped and lifeless. But don't lose hope just yet. The solution may be simpler and more natural than you think. Picture this: DIY beauty treatments concocted from ingredients you probably have in your pantry right now that are kind to your skin. Intrigued? You should be, because these natural remedies could be the key to unlocking the radiant, healthy skin that's been eluding you. So stay tuned as we reveal some simple yet effective natural hacks to achieve that radiant, healthy skin you've always dreamed of. Let's start with the basics. Hydration. Hydration is the key to a healthy, glowing complexion. Our skin, the largest organ in our body, is made up of over 70% water. It thrives on moisture and demands it to function at its best. When your skin is well hydrated, it's plump, flexible, and resilient. It's less prone to wrinkles and has a certain radiance that's hard to miss. Drinking plenty of water is a simple yet effective way to hydrate your skin from the inside out. Aim for 8 glasses a day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. But hydration isn't just about drinking water. It's also about using natural hydrating masks. Ingredients like cucumber and aloe vera are packed with water and can provide an instant boost of hydration. They're easy to use, affordable, and you probably already have them in your kitchen. Remember, hydration is the foundation of radiant skin. Now, let's move on to the next step. Next up, we have exfoliation, a crucial step that many people overlook. Now let's dive into the world of exfoliation. It's not just about scrubbing your face, it's a process that aids in revealing a fresher, more radiant complexion. By gently removing the outer layer of dead skin cells, exfoliation stimulates the renewal process, giving your skin a chance to breathe and regenerate. Now you may be wondering what to use for exfoliation. The answer lies right in your kitchen. Natural exfoliators like sugar and oatmeal are not only cost-effective but also gentle on the skin. Sugar, with its small granules, is a fantastic physical exfoliator that scrubs away dead skin cells without causing irritation. It also acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin to keep it hydrated and glowing. On the other hand, oatmeal is a wonder ingredient that soothes and nourishes the skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm troubled skin, and it also works as a gentle exfoliator, perfect for those with sensitive skin. But here's a word of caution. While exfoliation is beneficial, overdoing it can damage the skin. It's best to stick to once or twice a week depending on your skin type. Exfoliation is a game changer for dull skin, but remember, moderation is key. Now on to our next natural beauty hack. Now let's talk about the magic of natural oils. These gifts from Mother Nature have been used for centuries in beauty rituals across the globe, and it's no wonder why. Take jojoba oil for instance. This incredible product is a savior for those with dry skin. It mimics the skin's natural oils, replenishing moisture without clogging pores. It's like giving your skin a drink of water, but from the outside in. Then there's rosehip oil, a powerhouse of vitamins and fatty acids. It's known for its ability to repair and rejuvenate the skin. It can help fade scars, reduce wrinkles, and give your skin a youthful glow. And the best part? It's all natural, no harsh chemicals involved. Now, if you're battling blemishes, tea tree oil is your go-to. This natural antiseptic can help reduce inflammation and fight acne-causing bacteria. Just a few drops mixed into your usual moisturizer can work wonders. But how to use these oils effectively in your skincare routine, you ask? Simple. You can add a few drops to your moisturizer, or use them as a standalone treatment. Apply them at night so they can work their magic while you sleep. Just remember, everyone's skin is different, so it's important to do a patch test before incorporating any new products into your routine. Natural oils are truly a treasure trove of beauty benefits. But we're not done yet. Our final natural beauty hack is up next. Finally, we can't forget the role of a healthy diet in achieving radiant skin. You see, the food we eat doesn't just fuel our bodies, it also nourishes our skin from the inside out. So what should we be putting on our plates for that coveted glow? First and foremost, we should be piling high the fruits and vegetables. These colorful wonders of nature are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work wonders for our skin. Think of them as your skin's best friends, always there to lend a helping hand, fighting off damaging free radicals and promoting a healthy complexion. Among these, berries are a standout. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, you name it. They're loaded with antioxidants, which, as we've already mentioned, are like your skin's personal bodyguards, protecting it from the damaging effects of environmental stressors. Next up, let's talk about leafy greens, particularly spinach. This green powerhouse is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, all of which are essential for skin health. Vitamin A helps to regulate skin's oil production, vitamin C aids in collagen production, and vitamin E protects against UV damage. So it's like a triple threat for your skin. And don't forget about nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. They are rich in essential fatty acids, which help maintain the skin's barrier and prevent moisture loss, keeping your skin plump and hydrated. So, there you have it. A healthy diet isn't just good for your overall well-being, but it's also a key player in maintaining healthy, glowing skin. It's not about strict diets or depriving yourself. It's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, beauty comes from within, so nourish your body, and your skin will thank you. Try out these natural beauty hacks and share your experiences in the comments below. Here's to radiant, healthy skin.